Thank you for joining me today. So what we're looking at is a ton of different KWC made magazines. Pistols, the non-blowbacks, the Uzi magazines. I have the 1 and the 2 here, and how impossible these guys are to get to that piercing valve. So I've tried all kinds of tools. I made that slotted flat head, that way it misses the piercing valve, the brass piece. No bueno. Okay, I had this, it's like a valve key that has like it's for a slotted screwdriver. That works. It's not perfect, but this is a piercing valve for the Umarex M92A1. And there was also, it came with a magazine rebuild kit, and then it came with a smaller tool like this guy, again, flathead, with the little valve key slots. And, well, it broke. The teeth got sheared off trying to work, I think, on this smaller magazine. It just sheared it off. It sheared off one of my valve keys that I really damn needed. Like this one, it just had the output valve key in it. So let me show you what we're dealing with here. These guys are just a pain in the ass. Alright, so I want to warn you beforehand, it's usually unusual to have to get to the piercing valve, but sometimes you have to, okay? So on the plastic magazine, let me show you what we're dealing with here. Let me get my light. Okay, you can see that there. That's the guy we're trying to get to. Now, that valve key that came with the Beretta 92, that's the blowback version, does not fit inside here. Doesn't fit. The screwdriver can't clear it, and then my cut down screwdriver with the hole in the middle can't get to it either. So it's like, what the fuck are we supposed to do, right? Thankfully these guys don't go bad often, but when they do, it's like you're screwed. There's nothing you can do to get to these guys. I'll show you another one here. Okay. Really wish I had a way to light this guy up. Okay, this guy I got out, but again, it got broken in the process. It's the same valve as the other pistols I just showed you. Okay, here's a GameFace Mayhem magazine by KWC. Now, this one uses the bigger valves, and these are just as hard to turn. You can't use the single blade flathead. You can't, again, that forked screwdriver that somebody said worked in a guide for taking these guys apart. He got it, but somehow I can't get it apart. I've cut the hole. It's missing that brass piercing bit, but still, it's just impossible. I don't know if the screwdriver's fitting, but he had a link to the exact screwdriver he used, and I can't get this damn thing out. So, the output valves, these are fine. You can get those out with a regular valve tool on all of them. And then, of course, the Uzi uses that same damn thing. Flathead screwdriver cutout, can't get to it. These guys are just impossible. I've got a V1, V2. This is a V2 magazine here. This is the current one. And again, it's got the same cutouts, but you know, it looks to be just a bit thinner here. Let me show you. Okay, V1 on the right, V2 on the left. Oh no, I think those are the same, but anyway, and I swear to God, it's like they glue these guys into place. If anybody knows how to fix one of these guys, I've got another person who wants to try and get into it. He's got the same problem, but again, it's just these dumb valve keys that we can't get into. I can't fix the magazines like this. And then not all of the non-blowback ones, you can't get spare magazines for them anymore. So it's like fixing one is the best option, but if you've got a damaged piercing valve, nothing you can do. So, if anybody has any ideas, please let me know. We need to figure this guy out pronto, because I really want to get this guy, all these guys, fixed up. Some of them do work, but I've got a couple that don't. Like hang on a sec. Like I've got a newer gen PT 24/7 Taurus, again from KWC. This is the one I really want to get back to working, but can't yet. So if anybody has any ideas, please let me know. I'd appreciate it a lot. Alright, so thank you for watching, and hope this helped out, and I hope you guys can help me. So. Thank you.